This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox wallet. First, understand that the Roblox wallet is your personal hub for managing Robux, the virtual currency used across the platform. To access it, simply log into your Roblox account on any device and navigate to the Robux icon or the My Robux section. This central location allows you to view your current balance and prepare for all your in-game adventures and purchases. It's the first step to unlocking a world of possibilities. Adding Robux to your wallet is straightforward and offers several convenient options. You can purchase Robux directly through the Roblox website or app using various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, or Roblox gift cards. Common purchase amounts range from 400 Robux for $5 to 10,000 Robux for $100 or even more. Always ensure you are on the official Roblox platform to guarantee a secure transaction, and instantly update your wallet balance for immediate use. Once your wallet is loaded, spending your Robux opens up a vast array of possibilities within the Roblox universe. You can use your Robux to buy new outfits and accessories for your avatar, unlock special abilities or items in your favorite games, or even purchase access to exclusive experiences. Whether you are enhancing your character's look or gaining an edge in gameplay, your Robux wallet makes these transactions seamless and instant, allowing you to enjoy your purchases right away. Effectively managing your Roblox wallet involves regularly checking your balance and reviewing your transaction history, which you can find in the My Robux section. For security, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-step verification on your account to protect against unauthorized access. Be cautious of unofficial websites or offers promising free Robux, as these are often scams. Keeping your account secure ensures your Robux remain safe and ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.